box yourself!
In 2030, a new star is born from the magic stardust of recycled newspapers, glued together by a master of the ancient cardboard. Featured in more than 2,000 countries worldwide, his name is...
Hi, I'm Box.
Box, we love you! Do you want to make your own box superstar? Here's how to do it. Just get hold of a box, any size or shape will do. Then you cut off 2 of the flaps so that you're left with only 2 on the sides. Those are the ears. Alternatively, you can also fold the flaps in and glue them to the sides. Then we need a piece of paper, preferably a little bit thick, and a thick marker, and then we draw the face. First we draw the eyes, they're just round like this, simple eyebrows, a little nose, and we can give him a big smile and a tongue sticking out. Yeah, teeth, sharp teeth. Color black inside the mouth, a bit of color on the tongue, and we can cut it all out. And when I cut very roughly and a bit sort of jagged cutting lines, rough and tough, and make sure it's a bit of space between the line that we have drawn and the cutting line so that we get some edges around the shape. We cut out everything separately so that we can move them around later. So we cut out the eyebrows separately, the little nose, and the mouth. Let's bring in the box, and before we put the features on, notice that the box always has a band-aid up here on his cheek. Okay, then we can try the features. So we try the eyes, eyebrows, nose, and the mouth. We can move the mouth around a bit. High up, low down. And then by moving these features around, you can animate his expression a bit. Shall we glue them on? Yeah, starting with one eye. Bit of glue on the back, like this. Nose, eyebrows, and the mouth. Yay! Yoo-hoo! Then by moving his ears around, you know, he can sort of feel different things. This is a bit happy, or sad, or just crazy. But I got more. Check this out. Here I got another box with lots of facial features inside, so we can make different expressions. So I'm just going to turn him around and then show you some more. No, that's a mark there. Okay, I will use this box then. Okay, so I put the box over here and then show you a few more options. You see here I have made a lot of different features like eyes. I got a mouth over here. Later got these eyes. Let's organize them a bit. I got a tongue here. I have another eye here. Whoa, sleepy eyes. I got eyebrows. Got these types of eyes. Got this type of mouth. Here's another mouth. Angry eyes. Fat nose. Oops, yep. A round mouth. And another mouth. Mustache. And some other types of eyes. I think I'll just start with putting a bit of color on the tongues. You don't really need color, but sometimes, you know, a little bit of color as an effect is good. Okay, let's try them on the box. Let's try an angry look first. Let me bring in these eyes. Upside down. Like that, the sort of V-shaped eyebrows. Or how about this one? Instead of glue, we can use rubber tack. So when I bring in this nose, putting a bit of rubber tack on the back, these eyes, and this mouth. Hey! Doggy box! You see, the point with the rubber tack is that you can, take things off, move them around, or change in with other bits and make crazy faces like giving moustache or to the dog and many other things. So rubber tack is a good alternative to the glue. Now, here's my piece de resistance. Box disguise. You see, box can be anything you like. Just have fun. Well, that was an okay video, I guess. But anyway, there is so much more. You can't stop the craft train.